Alamin muna natin ang say ni Seda. Seda.
Hi, sir. Happy Monday. Listen to my saying for today. Here we go. It is better to endure the hardship of education than to taste the bitterness of ignorance. Buti
Yeah.
pa ako, sir. Sweet lang.
Ano ka?
Yun na yung punchline.
Ay, sorry. Ano nga yung punchline?
Buti pa ako, sir. Sweet lang.
Sweet lang.
Sweet lang. Okay.
Okay. Approve. Kahit di ko naintindihan. Maganda.
Sweet lang yan. Pag tinaas yung kamay, sour.
At alamin natin ang makabuluhang say ni Seda.
Okay.
Anong yung makabuluhang say for today?
Hi, sir. Hi, students. Ito na ang saying ko for today. So listen very carefully because it's very applicable to everyone.
Okay, this is applicable, ha? Okay.
Here we go. In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. So think positive lang.
Wow. No?
Say bye-bye to negative.
No.
Are you positive?
Now, no, sir.
Di pala makabuluhan.
No.
Parang makaguluhan lang. Parang naguluhan ako.
Makaguluhan. Makaguluhan.
Yes, Teacher Saida.
Teacher natin. Okay, Teacher Saida.
Nag-resign na siya pare sa pagkakanyang stewardess at gusto niya lang guru na lang siya.
Para siyang si Confucius.
Confused.
Okay, anong saying ni Saida? Say ni Saida?
Hi, sir. Happy
Hi.
Wednesday. To all the students, please listen very carefully.
Carefully.
Here we go.
Here we go, ah.
All that glitters is not gold.
Huh?
You know why, sir?
Why? Why?
Because they're all fake.
You mean all is fake?
Yes, sir.
All is fake?
Po?
All is fake?
No.
Everything,
No, sir. Totoo.
Totoo. Ano yan? Totoo.
tinalikuran ko na eh. Talagang Confucius. O confused ako sa mga
Okay.
sinasabi.
Thank you, Saida Confucius. Ayan na siya.
Thank you. Happy
Seda.
birthday. What's your say?
Happy birthday, bossing.
Oh, thank you. Hala ko naman, nakakalimutan mo na.
Hello, student. Hi, sir. Ito na yung saying ko for today. Learning is like rowing upstream. Not to advance, is to drop back. So, row your boat.
Gently down the stream. Tuwa si Alan sa...
May tumatawa.
Error your boat na pala, Andy.
Ano ang iyong say for today?
Hi, sir. Ito na ang saying ko for today. Here we go. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page. So come on, travel and go, go, go.
Parang natatawa ka rin sa kalokohan mo, no?
Yeah, we will travel. Don't worry.
Okay. Go, go, go.
Intindi nito? Okay.
This is your final say.
Oh, yes. Hi, sir. Hi, students. Listen very carefully.
Okay, listen very carefully, ha?
This is my final saying for today. So, reaching this far makes you all winners. So, this early, congratulations to you all because you are all henyo. This is the finals, and yes, it is final and irrevocable. So, go, good luck!
Final and irrevocable.
Parang hayala, El Palio del West
Palio
is
del West.
inapilable.